Good day, my wonderful learners. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the Choosing One Tutorial Center. This is a great avenue for you to learn mathematics, English, physics, chemistry, and other subjects. Today, we want to do mathematics, and the topic is percentage gain. A gain will occur when the selling price is greater than the cost price. For instance, if you are a trader, if the amount that you sell something is more than the amount that you buy it from the market, then that shows that you gain. So the formula for percentage gain is selling price minus cost price over cost price times 100%. CP that I use here means cost price, while SP means selling price. Let's solve these two questions. The first question: a dealer bought an article for 150 naira and sold them at 195 naira. Find the percentage gain. This simply shows that the dealer gained because the selling price is more than the cost price. So for us to calculate the gain or the profit, they are equivalent. Gain will now be selling price minus cost price. Then we are going to have 195 naira minus 150 naira, which gives us 45 naira. So we need to calculate the percentage gain. Percentage gain now is equals to gain over cost price times 100%. So the gain here is 45 naira, while the cost price is 150 times 100%. 1 0 will eliminate 1 0 here, 15 here 1, 15 here 3. 3 times 10 will give us 30%. That is the percentage gain. Let's solve the second question. An article cost 370 naira was sold at a profit of 14%. What is the selling price? So we need to find the 14% of the cost price first. So we are going to have 14% of 370 naira, and we are going to have 14 over 100 times 370. 1 0 will eliminate 1 0 here, 2 here 7, 2 here 5. And by the time we multiply this, we are going to have 51 naira 8 kobo. We are going to have 51 naira 8 kobo. So the selling price will now be cost price plus profit. Selling price is equals to cost price plus profit. And the selling price from this question is 370 naira. And the profit here is 51 naira 8 kobo. So we have 51 naira 8 kobo. So we are going to add it. This will give us 1, 12, 4. So our answer will be 421 naira 8 kobo. Thank you.